Alright, here's Principal Kinsey again, the Principal Math Tutor. Today I'm going to show you how to add fractions with unlike denominators. Going back to a hot and ready pizza example. Hot and ready pizzas are cut into 8 slices. Let's say I started off, and I wasn't that hungry at first. I ate 1 slice out of the 8. But then I came back and I was pretty hungry. So then I came back and I ate, let's say, half the pizza. Okay, now, adding this together, let me show you what the most common mistake looks like. If you know how to add fractions with like denominators, you already know that you add the numerator. So 1 plus 1 is 2. That is totally correct. But here is the most common mistake that I often see, is you do not add the denominators. 8 plus 2 is 10. However, that is the wrong thing to do. In football, they'll throw a flag on the play. That is a penalty. In basketball, that's a foul. In baseball, you just struck out. Never do that. So let me show you the right thing to do. So the right thing to do is this. You'll add 1 out of 8 plus 1/2. I have to do what they call find a common denominator. Sometimes that common denominator is the lowest common denominator. Sometimes the common denominator is just multiplying the 8 and the 2. But in this case, we're going to go ahead and look at the multiples of each number to come up with the lowest common denominator. So I list 8 and I list 2. And then I list the multiples of 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16, and so on. I'm going to stop right there because I already see it. Then I list the multiples of 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And then 6. And then 8. Up there it is. Lowest common denominator is 8. So what I want to do is I want to change both of my denominators to 8 by using multiplication. Well, the first denominator is already 8, so I don't have to mess with that one. But the second one, the 2, I'm going to change that to 8 by using multiplication. So what do I multiply 2 by to get 8? 2 times 4 is 8. So I multiply the numerator by 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Now I'm positioned to add these two fractions together because I have an 8 in both denominators. 1 plus 4 is 5, and leave the denominator the same as 8. I ate 5/8 of the pizza.